Oh no, the sky is falling. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. If you own a German car or you have a 2006 Volkswagen Golf like me, then you have already experienced this sagging or falling headliner on your vehicle. And the proper way to fix this is to take out the full headliner, re-glue it, then put it back. But if you have no time to do that, like me, then you might want to try this kit that I found on Amazon, where you can screw the headliner for now so that it doesn't sag in your head when you're driving. What's included in the kit? All right, I'm gonna try to put an image here next to me just to show you. But this kit that I bought has 60 screws. Those screws are meant to hold the headliner in place. Now, so that they're not exposed, it comes also with 60 buttons and button covers. Now it also comes with push pins so you can hold it in place before you screw it in, a screwdriver, and a measuring tape so you can measure the distance between two screws. Now let's try it if it works. Okay, I don't really have a planned strategy right now, so I'm just gonna start screwing and see if it works, because I just wanna see if this is a viable alternative. I'm gonna start in the middle, and let's see where it goes. Oops, we got the button. So here's a button, here's a screw. You put the screw in the button, then you screw it in. Now let's see how it looks like with the button covers. Since this is for demo purposes only, I'll only do a few so I don't waste your time. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad. So it doesn't look that bad, and it's a lot better than your headliner sagging on you. So now at least you have an alternative to fixing your headliner if you don't have time to take it off completely. So this has been another episode of How to Helen. Fix your headliners. My name's Sarja, and thank you for watching. Doesn't that look better?